Hey, this is Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a really nice pair of shoes for the man in your life, then I recommend checking out these Camel Crown leather shoes. We got these for my husband, and I have to say that he is a little bit picky when it comes to what kind of shoes he wears. We're so impressed with how well built these shoes are and how comfortable they are. The tread on these is really nice and grippy and would be excellent if you wanted to even take them on a trail or something with gravel or dirt. It's definitely going to help you not slip around, but they're so nice looking. I'm not sure that you're going to want to do that. They just have a really beautiful matte black leather look, and the contrast stitching with the gray thread really gives it a very beautiful aesthetic. There's really nice padding around the ankle and tongue area of the shoes, and that just helps to add to the comfort of this. He's also able to remove the insole and put his orthotics in, and it doesn't make the shoe too tight like happens sometimes. Now, my husband wears a size 10.5 in men's, and we did get the size 10.5. He feels that this runs a little large, but with a thicker pair of socks, they fit him really well, which will be nice for winter when he wears his nice thick wool socks to keep his feet warm. Overall, we're really pleased with these Camel Crown shoes. They're extremely well made, very durable, and aesthetically, they're just beautiful. And that's our point of view.